I thought it was the new kind.
Whatever you look
The new. I thought it was the new model. What? I thought it was that new model. I thought it was the new model. You know that brand new model? It's like maybe a couple months old. Yeah, I know. I can stand over here.
Huh?
I can stand over here.
I know when.
But when it gets closer. A lot closer. Yeah.
Watch your phone and make sure you get hit. Get a good picture.
Why?
Because he has to probably make sure he has all control functions up here. And the engine's 500-600 feet back. There you go. He's making sure everything works.
Now he just has to make sure it can drive. Now, oh.
What's wrong with the man that's walking on the train tracks?
Honey, people take the train. The guy probably got off the train, and wherever he lives, he probably walks down there and goes in and jumps in onto a street somewhere. They can't keep people off the tracks. I mean, they just can't.
They have to.
It's like trying to keep people off the street. It's impossible.
No, if they put up fences and they keep the fences regularly maintained.
It's tough.
Really high up.
Yeah, just like a couple hundred miles. Yeah. Yeah, I like the end.
How do you go?
That's got to be brand new.
You think so?
Yeah, I've never seen that before in 1,000 years. I've never seen that
Looks
before.
like it's got a bell.
It-
Horn?
yeah, the bell's probably right there.
It's gonna be 1818.
1818. I don't think we've seen that one.
Let me see.
At least that's a good way to break
Yeah,
it.
no, if you break it, they'll never let it come back. Please don't.
And you'll ruin it.
Or like where we're standing.
Oh, wow, there's another switch track all the way down there.
Dad,
Yeah, where do you think that goes?
can we just get up into the building? I'm sweating.
The building is even more hot.
It's leaving here in 2 minutes. What time is it now?
It was 4:49 when I checked, and it was like 2 minutes ago, so it's probably 4:52.
Now I'm
Probably.
aggravated because I gotta stop again and get the stupid cat treats.
He's not stupid. He's just a cat. He doesn't know what's going on. Well, he's my cat. Yeah, I really want to ride the train. I just want to jump on it. No emergency access at this location. Well, no duh, because if you start running out that, you'll fall off the train.
Emergency access at this location. So,
You know, I'm really tempted to put my iPod right there, aim it up, and watch the train speed right by.
They come screaming out, Vinny. Someone somewhere might be screaming out.
What?
You can't do that.
Yeah, I know. I wouldn't do it just in case if like something fell off the bottom of the train and hit the camera. Even though it's really unlikely, I still wouldn't do it. You know, because I mean, this thing costs a lot of money. Why does it have a heart?
A lot of buttons because it has what they call.
now arriving.
They have in case someone has a heart attack. They got the paddle machine.
No.
What do you have to do? Apply to the MBTA or?
Well, the commuter rail's contracted out by this company called Keolis.
Right.
So you go to their website and you apply. The T does the buses and the subways, but the commuter rail is all
Right.
contracted out.
But you gotta go. Don't you have to go to school or something? I mean,
What's
you just
that?
don't you have to go to school? You just don't jump in a train and start driving.
Well,
4:58
I
at 2 minutes.
I was a real estate appraiser back in 2002 when I graduated high school, and I decided I didn't like doing it. I was making darn good money, but it's just like I'm not really passionate about it. So I told my uncle, what do I got to do to get a job on Amtrak? And he works down in New Haven. He's like, anything you can do to just get your foot in the door, whether it's cleaning coaches or
Right.
being a track laborer or whatever. So after 2 years of applying, I finally got in as a car cleaner. Then a year later, I applied to CSX to be a train dispatcher. And they took me as a train dispatcher and gave me like 6 months of company paid training, which is like them paying you to go to college.
Right.
And then I was a dispatcher for like 6 years, and then I finally came over here to do it. And then put in for engineer like 3 or 4 times, and I eventually got in. So the best thing to do is get railroad experience.
Right.
Because contrary of what the media and all the negative people in the comment sections of T articles tell you, you don't need a college education to run a railroad. You need common sense. If you have common sense and
Right,
a good work
it's-
ethic,
Right.
you can set the world on fire.
Yeah, it makes sense.
You know?
Right.
So,
Well, he's passionate about.
I don't
railroad.
discourage people from going to college, but I got out of high school, I'm like, I really don't know what I want to do until one
Right.
day I saw what the railroad was all about, and I kind of took an interest to it, you know?
He's dying for freight trains to come down the line, but
Oh, I'm sure you'll see them, you know, that I don't really know whereabouts they are or whatever, but they're always coming through here.
they said up front, hit or miss. They said they don't know. They come when they come. So there you go.
Yeah.
6 years he's got to go.
6 years. Have a good day.
Thanks, buddy.
I was gonna ask him to blow the horn, but it looked like he was in a hurry.
He's gonna ring the bell. He's got to. Vinny, you know why? Because they just radioed him and said, "Hey, you're free to go." So he's got to go. Oh, he's going back to flying. The engine, Vinny, want to get the engine?
Yeah.
See, your CSX doesn't have the catwalk on the outside. It's just a cab. That's
Yeah, they do.
well, not the one you have.
Yeah, the one that I have, it does. Yeah, it's an older version of this, I think.